Hey, excuse me, genius. You forgot my leash. Ugh, never mind.
Hey fellas, how's it going? Hey fellas, how's it going? Hey fellas,
Oh, say, Duke.
Yes?
Be a good lad and bring me a stick, won't you? It would please me to chew on a stick just now. You heard me. Fetch. Not that one. That one doesn't please me. Find a really good one, Duke. Duke. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, Max, boy. Oh, wow, there are a ton of sticks over here, Max.
You should come over and look at them. Yeah, I want to make sure I grab you the right one. Right one. Oh, that's very thoughtful.
Look at all these sticks.
Ah!
help! Did you hear that?
Butterfly! 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 So long.
Don't leave me here.
Didn't have to be this way, Max.
Wait,
No hard feelings.
Duke, please.
Oi! What's going on here?
Mind your own business. Oh my gosh, what happened to you?
I had a fight, alright? With a big stupid dog. He lost.
Oh, you're headed into dangerous territory there, kitty cat.
I'd watch your town, sunshine. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut you into string, ball you up, and then bat you around for hours in a game that only I understand. Oh, very nice. I'll take that.
Huh? Ooh. You want to start with me, little raisin? Okay. Get your umbrellas out, kiddies, because here they come. The thunder and the lightning right out on your face. Gosh, there are a lot of you up there. I'm talking about the thunder and the lightning that's coming down on all of your collective faces. Attack on three. On three. Two. I just remembered I gotta be somewhere.
that guy, huh? Am I right?
Now that's what I call walking the dog. Yeah, because she hit that dog with a walk.
Duke? You came back?
Run! Run! Ah!